So guys, for the first step, you're going to head over to search and type in proxy settings. Click on it. And then once you're on this, make sure that you have automatically detect settings turned off. Now where it says use setup script, you're going to click on this, setup. Make sure that you have this turned off as well. Now where it says use a proxy server, click on setup. Make sure that you have this also turned off, and then click on save. So just turn off all of this. And now for the next step, you're going to head over to search again and type in view network connections. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you're going to find your network adapter. You're going to double click on it. And then click on properties. And then click on Internet Protocol version 4. And then once this comes up, make sure you have obtain an IP address automatically selected. Now under here, you're going to click on use the following DNS server address. Now in this box right here, we're going to type in 1111. And for the second line, we're going to type in 1001. So just copy what you see on my screen right now, and then click on OK. And now for the next step, you're going to head over to search again and type in CMD. Now you want to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And then once you're on this, you're going to type in ipconfig space / flush DNS. Click on enter. And now we're going to type in netsh space winsock space reset. Click on enter again. And now for the last step, you just want to restore your computer, and then the problem should be fixed.